So as the glaciers retreated up north, they stopped water from draining out of Vermont and created several glacial lakes. And you're going to see in this video where those lakes were. So there was one along the eastern side of Vermont. We're not going to talk about that one too much. But this is the start of Lake Vermont. And as the glacier retreats, you can see the glacial lakes going more and more north and getting smaller because the glacier's pulling back and the water's draining. And there's the biggest Lake Vermont gets. It's kind of where Lake Champlain is now. And then as the glacier retreats far enough, it becomes the Champlain Sea, which is salt water. It mixed with the seawater. And then it becomes the Lake Champlain we know today.